Want to amplify your TikTok content on LinkedIn? Dynal.AI turns that process into a single, seamless flow. Now, I'll walk you through how to transform a TikTok video into an engaging LinkedIn post. This step never changes. Click Connect LinkedIn to ensure your LinkedIn account is successfully connected to Dynal.AI. Next, find the TikTok video you want to repurpose and copy the video link. Go back to Dynal.AI, click Add Source, select Add Website from the dropdown, and paste the link. Enter your prompt and choose how many images you want to generate. That's it. Everything is ready. Let your LinkedIn agent get to work. Dynal is your personal brand co-pilot designed to help professionals build their online presence systematically. And just like that, your LinkedIn carousel is ready to go. Not quite perfect? Just click Edit on any image to refine it until it's exactly right. And you're done. Your post is ready. Hit Publish. Just like that, your post is live. In content creation, true efficiency comes from repurposing, not repeating. Turn your TikTok views into professional influence on LinkedIn. Dynal.AI ensures every piece of content delivers long-term value. Subscribe to our channel for more.